Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to add calendar widget on the home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen, and here at the bottom you can see widgets option, then just tap on widgets. Now from here scroll down a bit, and here you can see calendar option, then just tap on calendar. Now here you can see 4 kinds of calendar widget, and you can add any widget on the home screen as you want. If you want to add this calendar widget to your home screen, just touch and hold it and drag it to the home screen. And it's done. Now you can see the calendar widget has been added successfully on the home screen. Now if you touch and hold it again, then tap on settings option. You can also change your calendar widget theme from here. You can choose white or black color as you want. You can also increase or decrease your opacity from here. Then tap on save, and you can see it's changed successfully. And that is how you can add calendar widget in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.